Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about conversions campaign, one of the most important type of campaign in Facebook ads. So if I'll go to create, conversions come up here. So if you go to the I button, it says show your ads to people who are most likely to take valuable actions such as purchase or adding payment info on your website. So if you want to get purchases, if you want people to fill a form, and if you want to generate leads on your website, then conversion campaign is the best type of campaign which you can create. It gives the best results, and most of the budget actually is spent on conversion campaigns. So if I click on view setup, you will see that most of the campaigns I have created are also conversion campaigns. And let me tell you from experience that 80 to 90% of the budget of any type of business goes into the conversion campaign. So let me go to Facebook and show you how it looks like. You can see here that this is an ad, and there is some text here, and there is some image, and it says the name of the product, and there is some price. So if I click on shop now, it will take me to the website where the conversion is going to happen. So this is the product, this is the name of the product, this is the price of the product. So once I have selected the size, I can click on buy now, and it will take me to the checkout page. I think, yeah, it has taken me to the checkout page, and here I can place an order and buy this t-shirt. So this is how the ad is created. The ad takes me to the website, and there I can purchase the product. And similarly, not just in purchasing the product, you can also generate leads. For example, this is Tata Motors Facebook page, and here there is an ad, and here the button is get quote, and it says that you can bring home Tata Ace. So they are trying to promote their car named Tata Ace, and you can click on get quote, and here they are asking me to fill my name, contact number, and some more information. And once I click on submit, a lead will be generated for Tata Motors. So that's how they have created this ad. So both of these ads are examples of conversion type of ads. So you might be thinking that the purpose of this ad is to send people from Facebook to your website. You are wrong. This is not the purpose of this ad. The ad actually optimizes based on people who are most likely to perform the action. For example, on this ad, Facebook will target to people who are most likely to fill this form. If you are running a purchase type of campaign like we saw here, like this one, Facebook will target this ad. Facebook will show this ad to the people who are most likely to buy the product. And you might be thinking how this works. It's because there is a small piece of code called Facebook Pixel is installed on the website, and let me show you here. You can see that view content pixel is triggered here, and this is, by the way, Facebook Pixel Helper. This is a plugin which shows if the pixel is installed on the website or not. And you can see here that view content pixel is triggered, which shows that the pixel is tracking my information, and now Facebook will reach out to people like me because I am the one who has shown interest in their product. And similarly here also you can see, since I am on the checkout page, here initiate checkout is triggered. You can see a lot of information is displayed here. Facebook is tracking all this information, and now Facebook will use this information to reach out to people who are similar to me, people who are most likely to buy their product, to buy this t-shirt. So this is how this ad works. Now let me go back to the ads manager, and here I am going to show you how to create a conversion campaign. I'll show you how to create a basic conversion campaign, and in the next video I'll show some advanced stuff like how to create a pixel and how to add a pixel to a website so that you can get better results. And then in the next video I'll show some more information about how to create an advanced campaign to improve your results. So I click on create, and I'll choose conversions. Here it's asking me three things, the three steps which you have to complete. Here it's asking me for the name of the campaign. I'll put the name campaign 1, the name of ad set, I'll put ad set 1, the name of ad, I'll name my ad 1, and I'll click on continue. So three things are created: campaign, ad set, and ad. And now it has taken me to the first step. First I have to put information in campaign, then I have to put some information in ad set, then I have to give some information related to my ad, and then my ad will be ready. So the name of my campaign is campaign 1, and all these things are basic things. Campaign budget optimization, I like to turn it on, And here is the budget I have to put. I am putting daily budget of 800 rupees here right now, and I click on next. And on the ad set level, it's asking me where the conversion event location is. Since it's on my website, I choose website, and here the pixel is already installed here, and I have to directly choose the event which is most important to. So here I can choose view content, add to cart, initiate checkout, and there are some more events. For example, I can choose purchase also. So here, once I choose purchase, Facebook will show my ad to the people who are most likely to purchase. And here there is a warning which says your ad may not be optimized for conversions. It says that ad will not be optimized because, and it's giving me the reason, that we haven't received any activity from the conversion that you have selected at all in the last 14 days. Since nobody has bought anything from my website in last 14 days, so Facebook will not optimize for conversion. So that this is an issue. And you might be thinking that there is obviously some people should buy it, then Facebook will reach out to similar people, right? So how many purchases you have to get to start optimizing? So Facebook's engine will start optimizing your ad and will show to people who are most likely to purchase. So let me tell you the information. You need 25 purchases in last 1 week, or not just purchases. If you are trying to optimize for leads, then you need at least 25 leads in last 1 week, so that Facebook will start optimizing for it. So let me show you this 25 figure where this is coming from. And here, if I'll go to optimization, here it says what I want to optimize for, and I've chosen conversion. And here in conversion, you can see it says drive decision making from people showing the most intent. If you have had at least 25 conversions in the past week, you can start a campaign here. So see, it says if you have at least 25 conversions in the past week, okay? At least 25 conversions in the past week. So you need 25 conversions in the past week, and then Facebook will optimize your ad. So that is how you choose the event. So now let's move on to other settings. This is dynamic creative. This is offer. You can let it turn off. It's not that important. Budget is also not that important. It's not budget actually. We've already put budget. It's budget and schedule. We already have put that information 800 rupees on the campaign level. So this is not that important. And here you have to obviously think a lot while creating an audience. Think in terms of who might be interested in your product. Since I am trying to sell bike t-shirts, then I will put here motorcycles. I try to target people who are interested in motorcycles, and I'll narrow it down with people who are interested in t-shirts. So my ad will reach out to the people who are interested in both motorcycles and t-shirt, and there are somewhere around 38 million people here. So it's a good audience. And now it's asking me for placement. Here you can put an automatic placement, because automatic placement is the best one, because it says use automatic placement to maximize your budget and help show your ads to more people. And it says, most importantly, Facebook's delivery system will allocate your ad sets budget across multiple placements based on where they are likely to perform best. So Facebook will automatically place your ad wherever it's performing the best. Okay. If you are not confident about this automatic system, then you can choose manual payments. And then if you want just Facebook and Instagram, you can select those. And then Facebook will only choose Facebook and will show your ads only on Facebook and Instagram. So all the settings are now done. I recommend that you choose automatic placements here. And after that, we can move on to the next step, which is ad. I click on next. And now we are on the ad level. So it says that I have to put some URL on the ad, then only it will work, obviously. So we'll start creating the ad. So I have selected my page and Instagram account. And now here I'm showing you how to create a single image and video. You can create carousel or collection type of ad as well. And it's quite simple. There is no need to explain anything here. So I'll just show you how to create an ad, a simple ad. Here I'll just select any image, select an image, and it's done. I'm creating a simple campaign just to show you how it works. I can put some text here. I'll write 50% off on all t-shirts. And here I can use a headline. Buy bike t-shirts now. And in the description, I'll write the price, rupees 599. So my ad is almost ready. The only thing left is the website, and I'll write the website as well. So yeah, my ad is done and everything is created. And if you want to see how it's going to look like, you can click on there, and here how it's going to look like, you can see here 50% off on all t-shirt. Here is the text coming up, and buy t-shirt online. Here is the text, here's the price, and people can click on learn more and they can go to a website. To change learn more to shop now, you can go and choose here. So now it will say shop now, you can see here. So everything is ready now, and you just have to click on publish and your ad will be ready. And here on tracking as well, you can see that my pixel is installed on the website. So Facebook will be tracking this information and will be reaching out to people who are most likely to buy my shirt. So that is how you create a simple conversion campaign. And I know that you must be confused about the pixel. You might not have the pixel. You might not know how to install the pixel on the website. So all that thing I will explain in the next video. So here is the video you can see on your screen. So click on this video, and that video will be all about the pixel. So I hope that you like this video, and thank you for watching.